Assalamu alaikum, good evening everybody. Right now the topic is this, right? Sum of multiple sheets, sum of this. So I have three products, blocks, concrete, slabs. I need the summary. How can create a summary sheet is there? I just select this one. Then I write formula here equals sum, right? Tab. Then I can just click on the first sheet, shift key hold, click on the slabs. Then I click V2, then bracket close, then control enter. That is my commands are total is coming, right. If you want to select only those cells which cell you have formula, then I can go to home tab to see find and select formulas. Then I can choose option is there, right, formula, because formula is there, right. So therefore I want to select this one, total is coming. Okay, I need such a dashboard is there, right. I create a dashboard. How can do the dashboard here? I just have, this is my different customers. I have this my dashboard. I just tap whether I'm choosing here. Okay, so firstly I'm create here, right, drop down list. I'm just delete this one and clear all. So I have three my sheet names, right. First is the block. Firstly I select this one. I can choose this one all. That name is called blocks, right. Same like I'm select this one concrete. Same I like this one is the control A, right. That's its name slabs. This is the sheet name is called control A. That's the summary. So that's my all names are here. So then I create here drop down list all DL. Then I go to list. Then I can choose option from here, right. So all those names are here and then click here, right. I just click this one blocks and concrete, right. I just delete this one. So before I'm write a formula here, right, that is the Vlookup formula. But how can pick the Vlookup formula before I know the indirect formula, right, is equal to indirect formula is there equal sign and this is a link of this cell. So that is your direct formula, right. Okay, so how if I'm using indirect formula, that shows error, right. If I give the reference of this cell, that shows give the reference is reference error. Therefore, I would like to find out who is the best friend. I put here the A5, A4, and I click here. Formula is there. I just change reference is there, right. L4, L5 is the friend of A4. I put here. That is your monopix. If I change number here, A7, A6, right. So that Safari is coming, right. So I just changed this one, that shows error, right. So therefore indirect formula you know only two things. First thing you know about you range names are cell address. So right now I have the range names. I just write formula here, sir, equal to Vlookup. What is my lookup value? This, and then I press function F4 column log row variable, then comma, then I put here indirect. This is my range names. Then this F4 one time log, then I'm user comma column formula column, then B1 bracket close and comma 0, then exactly match control enter. So my values are picking, right, concrete data pick. If I came here, I click on their blocks, then my blocks data fetch. If I click here summary, then my summary data fetch, right. If I select this one, then I press here Alt F1. Alt F1 is the shortcut key, create a chart. Then I can do, right, if you want to create a chart title according to my scenario. For example, if I'm change here, right, I don't want to show my bars are changed, right. If I came here, then it's summary, right. Or if you want to this value shows in 1000, double click here, right, the control 1. Otherwise you can do this one also control 1. I'm just select this one control 1 is the shortcut key and then can choose here option is there 100 thousands. Then I choose here search hundreds. And but right now my data is there, right. I just select this one there. Or if you want to create a same chart title, I click on chart title here. Then I go to formula bar equal sign. I link this my cell, right. Then I put enter. So my chart titles change are here. Control B, control shift greater than sign. They are less than, right. So this is the my sign is coming. If you want to change the color, I go to home tab. I change the color here. Or if you want to change color also there, right, chart. Then I go to chart design. You see change color, right? If you change the color you like here, right? Any color you like you can do from here. If you don't like this one, then I can go further. Your bars are bigger one, then I can select the bars, right? Then press Ctrl 1, right? Then I can choose here gap. No, bar is better, right? You see like this. So this is your overlap, right? I just gap width is there, right? You like this bigger. To see bar is good one. If you want to select any bar, right click here to see search change series chart type. Then I can go there, right? Line with markers. Then I click OK. So my line shows are like this one. Or if you would like to create a stars also, I go to insert. Then I go to shapes. I pick stars from here. I can draw outside the graph. When I draw this star to see shape format is coming, then I can choose shape fill, the color, and outline is no color, right? And shape effect is to show the shadows. So then I can copy, Ctrl C. I put select on markers are here, then Ctrl V, right? So my markers are here. I just delete this one, or if you want to delete this one also, you can do, right? Also, okay, sir. I delete this one by legends. If I put here pictures on the plot area, there are two areas is called. One is called a chart area, one is called plot area. If I click here, I go to format, I can see here this is your chart area. If I click here, this is called a plot area, right? So this is a plot area here. I want to fill pictures, right? I go to shape fill here, pictures. Then I go to form files. So I pick picture from file. I have save file is there. I have folder basic to advanced Excel. I go to day 1. I can choose option there. Word is map is there, right? The word map shows on the behind it, right? Like this. So this is the way you can do, right? Very good, quickly. Or if you want to transparency increase, you can click on their fill button and transparency is increased, right? So this is the way you can create a dashboard like this one. If you can change here like this, concrete, right? If I want to change here, right, search summary, the summary is coming, right? So this is the one dashboard here, right? So thank you very much for this watching the video. Another one topic is that if you want to quickly generate the reports without using the Vlookup formula, what is the topic is there, right? Just press here anywhere Alt DP. Alt DP is also shortcut key for pivot table and pivot chart wizard. You see, sir, multiple consolidation range. What kind of report do you want to create? First is pivot table. Next, then I can choose option there, right? How many page fields do you want? You create a single page field. I will create the page fields. Then I go to next. So I want to see one first record. I go to blocks. I just select don't pick totals. I just pick on my data. Add. Same I can do on concrete, right? Concrete is also selected. I can see my data is selected. Total you ignore. Add. I can same on slabs, right? Add. I can say on summary no need because summary is already created through the pivot table wizard. I just select this, I create as fields. I click on the one, right? This table name is called slabs. I put here slabs. This is one only, right? Don't click on two. I click here, second tab, right? Second is there, then this name is concrete. You can select this one, this name is blocks. Then I can go to next one. Then I can see where I need a report, new worksheet, right? Then I can finish. When I can finish is there, you can see here the row, columns, values and page 1. Basically page 1 is my sheet name, right? Blocks, concrete and slabs. This is the overall summary, right? How this one is there. Right click here and number format. And then I can accounting symbols none, 0 decimal. Then click OK. So my number value shows are here, right? But this is go to the two things are there. Design. I go to design and choose the option from there, right? Blue and like this. So this my table is coming, banded rows, coming line is there, right? So this is the way you can do quickly report. Or if you want to change the heading, you can do, right? Right click here, right? I just change the name here, field setting, right? I put the name here. What the name is? This one is my Codex, right? So this is my Codex. What is the row label, right? I right click here, sir, format options. I put here the pivot table name is okay, but I don't want to put here name is there. I just use the row labels, right? And double click. I just change the name here. This is row labels, no. This is my Codex client names, clients. Or this is your column is basically is your sales, right? Weeks. So I can change here, right? Weeks. So I have three products are there, right? Or if you want to choose option from here, right? If you want to choose the blocks, then blocks is coming, right? But here you can check also report layout and show in tabular form. If I can move, right? I have different products are there, right? I film there products and rows and labels. If you want to change the row labels, I right click here also, right? This see report filter labels, right? This labels are there and this is your values are there. But I want to change number name here, right? I just change the name. This is my clients. Enter. This is my weeks, right? Enter. So right now my table is okay. So my all the headings are changed here, right? Or if you want to product shifted in there, right, before the client, then my reports are creating a product wise and week wise. Or if you don't want to show the plus minus sign, go to pivot table right, plus minus button is remove it. Then you can get the easily reports, right? Go to design. I choose options from here, right? There are different options are there, the beautiful looking there. The line is there, right? So then you can easily prepare the reports. If you want to create a top sheet is there, right? Right click here and then go to collapse. And then I put a collapse, the all summary sheet is ready. If you want to go the expand, you can do also expand from here. So my detail report is coming. Or for example, if you would like to create a slicer also, you go to pivot table analyze. You see certain such slicer, right? You can choose a slicer on the base of your product. I click on product, my products are coming. Or if you need a client name also, you can put client name also, right? So I have two slicers are here. I put these two slicers, but I slicer like this one, 3 columns. Then I can put 3 columns are here. I just choose there, I create one space here. These tables are color is the same like this. You can put also this is same, right? So I put here in the top. Firstly, I need create a space. Right click here and insert. Right. Then Control Y, Control Y. You can create here, right? Just drop down here. This is my first list is there. I can draw up here list, right? This is my client list. Or you want to create slicer, you can create a two columns. So my slicer is coming right here. Or you need a blocks is coming, right? Concrete, right? You see slabs, right? If you clear filter is there, I can check also the slab total, right? 33161675. I create here this is the pivot table report, right? It's the blocks is coming, right? So I don't need here. If we want to, don't want to show the sum of value, right? I right click here, sir. Then I go to pivot table options. I go to this one is there, right? Display. You see show values on the row. I click here, right? So that's the sum of values are here, right? Or you don't want to show like this one, I'm right click here, go to pivot table options. Then I can uncheck here, right? Then click OK. So this is the way you can do one way, right? Okay, so right now if you want to create here, right, main heading is there. I just create one more row. I just click here, right, detail of and double quotes and right here detail of double quote close and sign. I give the reference of this block, enter. So my blocks are coming here. Then I can create here big site. Or if you click here, right, anyone can create, concrete is coming, slabs are coming, right. So you see like this one. Or if you can filter like this one, you can use here, right. This is slicer is coming. So right now I create here filter button also. Then I go there, right. This my client names are there. So I create here one more table. I create filter is there, right. Searchable filter. How can create a searchable filter is there if you select the so many client list, but you cannot pick easily. What I'm doing here, right. I just select this one here. Control A, Control C. I copy here, right. Press enter. But I need here, right. This table is there. Then I can close this one, I can show here, right, tables. But I need here only my customer. I can uncheck everything, anything, right. I just this one uncheck, this one, I don't need this detail. I need box, right. I just choose here client name in the filter box. My filter box is coming. Then I move here, right, before here. So then I choose the client list here, right. I click here, then I can search, right. If you can search as a carry 4. So carry 4 is coming, right. To see my customer name is coming. If I clear filter here, right. So you can choose here, right. This is your right click. I go to pivot table options, then I can uncheck this option is there. So this is you can do, right. So this is the way I can search, right. I click here, I can search anyone, you can do, right. So this is the way you can create a pivotal links there, right. I have two tables, right. So therefore I can pick accordingly. So that's I have this two tables. This is the pivot table 2, right. Is click there. And if I choose options are there in Insert Gallery, the Insert Gallery is coming, right. If the clear filter is there, clear filter is coming, right. Then I choose option here, right. Then I choose option is also there, same. So this is the way you can do, right. So this my report is coming here, right. Then I can choose option is there, right. Then I can filter is there. Then is coming, right. So that you can select this one and they give the color is there, right. You can choose the color anyone you can do, right. Anything. I firstly example I just create here. Bold, right, and italic. Then I can coming. So this is the way you can do, right. If you click here also automatically click, right. You see like this. So it's a very big list. You can search also. So that's the way you can do, right. Click also. You see format slicer settings are there. This is your custom list is there, right. Hidden alt items. You can like this, right. So that's the way you can do. If you click there, concrete, right. Slabs. If you clear filter. So that's the way you can do, right, accurately. So that's one report. So thank you very much watching the reports, and this one is you can do, right, and close.